What's the name of this place we're going to today?
Bridal Veil Falls.
Davy Crockett? They work great. Plus the kids like how you can see the... Thanks, Darren. Now the cool thing with these falls...
You just elbowed me. The cool thing about this thing.
The best things to do while you're in Manitou Lounge. I don't even know if you can hear me. I'm shouting over the sound of this waterfall. The boys decided to go for a late evening swim. And in the washroom, I don't know if they don't trust people, but they put a padlock on the toilet paper. So we are at this 10-mile point trading post. And this is the lookout point. Or good afternoon, I guess.
Last name? Julie?
Yeah.
Just 2 people in here?
No, 4.
4? Can I see the 4 masks you're going to wear on the ship for us today, then, please?
Absolutely.
Huh?
1, 2, 3.
Where's yours, Abby?
Hold your mask
4.
up.
Perfect. So, no fever, cough, no difficulty breathing?
No.
Haven't been refused on the ship in the last 14 days?
No.
Not under any provincial, territorial, or public health orders of any kind?
No.
No COVID symptoms today?
Absolutely not.
Haven't been around a COVID person that you know of? Good answers.
So the truck and trailer, if anyone's wondering at home, is 48 feet long in total, with tongue and bumper and everything.
Did not know that.
Now you know. So it is here, the CHI-CHEEMAUN Sound Ferry. This is going to be pretty cool. Never been on a ferry before that holds vehicles like that. So it should be a fun ride. Hey, we're on a boat.
I'm on a boat! I'm on a boat!
Can you believe it? Doesn't look like we're in underground parking with our trailer. We're on a boat.
Oh yeah, they put it down.
Oh, people from California are here. And this is why they use the elevator. Up there, if they need more space, they basically bring these down and you drive from the beginning, you drive up on it and you can stack more vehicles. See, there's some right, I don't know if you can see the tops of the vehicles right there. Some vehicles there. So we're gonna go up top side now. at the very, very top. Oh, no, we're not at the top. That's the top. So we're almost there. We're probably there another half an hour or so. But just so you know, that's Tobermory right up ahead, straight ahead of us from the flag. We have, if you look, Georgian Bay on the left, and on the right-hand side, we have Lake Huron. Tobermory is in one of those unique spots where two great bodies of water meet, Georgian Bay and Lake Huron. So that's annoying.
This is scary.
I was gonna make a video, but this sound is annoying. Okay, so we're in the belly of the actual ferry here, the boat, and we've been on for about an hour and 45 minutes. We're pretty accurate with your times, and now we're here in Tobermory, and we're getting off. This should be fun. I need to stop doing this one. Okay, we're at our last stop, camping spot number 3 in our 10-day camping extravaganza.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Yeah, I heard you say. We're at a Happy Hearts
Head
campground.
southwest on Cape Herd Road toward Munn Drive.
What is she talking about? Okay, let's stop. Oh, that's not good. So, just like that, we're here, we're set up and everything. This is Happy Hearts Campground, and I was just informed, not that we needed, we're camping, but I was just informed there's Wi-Fi here. I guess anyone needs to work and play and everything, you can do it, because there's Wi-Fi here. You don't have to use your own cellular data. So, dinner time, we're gonna have some dinner, and then we'll get to some festivities afterwards. So Darren and Tammy, next time you guys bring me to a town where we go camping and visit a town, bring me to a place that doesn't look so in shambles and run down and shanty. So call us crazy. We're going on a boat tour and it's pouring rain outside, as you can see from there. And we're going to Flowerpot Island because we booked it 2 months ago or 3 months ago. Okay, so we finally made it on the boat. I forgot to say, it's her birthday today.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, she's 29 for the 10th year in a row.
26.
26 for the 20th year in a row.
Yeah.
Yes. So what are we on? What's it called?
The Bruce Anchor Evolution.
Yeah, this is the yellow one. And as you can see, I'll turn around. It looks like a solarium, a greenhouse. But
Foggy.
the main thing is that we're dry. There's an upstairs part where you can go and
Well, we're drying.
in the elements. Yeah, we're a little wet, as you can see. We got a little wet, but
You might want to move.
it's only rain, so you know that's to be expected. And we're still gonna have a good time no matter what, even though it's raining.
weather.
Any treasure there?
No, I would have found it by now.
Island with their world famous sea stag, and then drops back underwater and resurfaces at Manitoulin Island. The park is under the Dark Sky Preserve and has some of the darkest skies in North America, which is crucial to local ecology and culture. It is also traditional territory of the Saugeen Ojibwe Nation and plays a very important part to local Indigenous communities today.
Thank you. So we made it to Flowerpot Island, and we're gonna go for a little hike. Did you have fun on the boat ride, Abby?
Kind of wavy.
Kind of wavy.
Oh my god, water's dripping on me from the trees.
It's called rain. So that flower pot looked a lot bigger from the boat. Yeah, it's pretty small.
This isn't a flower.
Oh, that's why. So this is a flower pot, one of two. This is the big one, I think. The old man guy thing one, whatever it's called. We're gonna take some photos here in the pouring rain and then continue with our hike. Okay, so I was mistaken. This is the big guy, the large flower pot. And that's Andrew there.
It's like a flower pot.
Time for a little snack on the beach. Quentin and I just took a walk down all these rocks here, all the way down this whole entire point, all the way down to the end, and we noticed all these lines in the rocks, and we realized that they're drilled holes, just like here. They would drill the holes all in line, and they'd stick dynamite down a few of them, and they'd explode, and they'd split in half, and that's how they have all these rock formations, because they'd split in half, not here, but somewhere, and then they'd bring the rocks here and make this kind of, what's this called, like a shoal, or barrier. Well, that was fun. It was a little wet, but it was fun. We had a good time. You know, it just goes to show you, even though weather doesn't cooperate with you sometimes, still get out there and you know, challenge yourself and do this kind of things that you would normally say, you know what, I'm not doing it if it's raining. Did the birthday girl have fun?
Yeah.
It's a experience. One of those things you can check off your bucket list. That you saw the flower pots in.
It's a must-see.
Tobermory, yes, it's a must-see.
That's what they say, so.
The flower pot doesn't even look like a flower pot.
So we're cooking at Joe's for Julie's birthday dinner. And we all got fruity drinks, island drinks.
Is it Clinton? Amazing.
Us ladies
We have to start this over.
I know, we're dying.
So we're at a place called Coconut Joe's for Julie's birthday, and we all got fruity drinks.
Except for me, I got a match.
Cheers. That's fruity. That's islandy drinks.
It's island.
Oh, wow. When you cheers, you have to drink.
Oh, so it's really good. I had last time.
So how's your birthday dinner?
So far, so good. I haven't tried this yet, though. But it looks amazing.
Jerk chicken for everyone.
And burgers.
That's what you do when you're camping. We're doing an old-fashioned tailgate. What'd you guys call it? A Tobermory taco tailgate? I was gonna fly the drone, but there's a sign saying you can't fly drones.
I'm studying.
I don't know how much more I could take of this. The camera's melting. We're at the grotto. The water's so cold. I'm just sitting here, people watching people go in, and the first thing it does is it takes your breath away. The water is so ice cold.
Everybody's come fight.
You see, as a kid, it isn't.
And if you've ever been to the grotto, you'll know. If you haven't been to the grotto, it's in the Bruce Peninsula National Park, I believe. They were packing up and going home.
Thank you for watching Outdoor Canucks. See you all in the next video.